Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create gradient split color portraits. Open a portrait photo, duplicate the layer twist, add gradient map on first copy K to purple. On the second copy yellow to red, mask both halves diagonally. Now both gradients meet at center. Change blend mode to overlay. This creates a dual color split portraits. Blur edges slightly for smooth transitions and add a light vignette for focus. Now add a soft glow for dreamy finish. Adjust each gradient stops for balance. The result looks cinematic and modern, perfect for magazine style portraits. Your dual color lighting looks pro grade. And thanks for watching.